Hello everyone, myself Manimala 1616 from FI Biotech Department. Let's talk about the importance of habits in shaping our lives. Habits play a huge role in determining who we are and the kind of life we live. They are the small, repetitive actions we take daily that often feel automatic. While individual habits may seem insignificant, they compound over time to create significant changes in our lives. For instance, think about something as simple as reading for 20 minutes every day. Initially, it may not seem like much, but over a year, that's over 120 hours of reading. Now, imagine applying that habit to learning a new skill, like a language or a musical instrument. The consistent effort can lead to remarkable progress. The same principle applies to fitness, whether it's taking a short walk, stretching, or working out regularly. Small actions build discipline and momentum, ultimately transforming how we look and feel. But habits aren't just about what we do, they are also about who we become. When you consistently show up for yourself, no matter how small the task, you build confidence and a sense of identity. For example, if you write a little early day every for 10 minutes, you begin to see yourself as a writer. This self image reinforces the habit and makes it easier to stick to in the long run. Of course, building good habits isn't always easy. It requires intentionality and patience. A helpful approach to start small and focus on consistency rather than perfection. You can also pair new habits with exciting ones, something called habit stacking. For example, if you want to meditate, you can do it right after brushing your teeth every morning. On the flip side, it's important to recognize and address bad habits that can hold us back, whether it's procrastination, excessive screen time, or unhealthy eating. These habits can negatively impact our physical and mental well being. Breaking bad habits often requires replacing them with better alternatives. Ultimately, habits are the building blocks of success and happiness. By cultivating good habits and minimizing bad ones, we have the power to shape our future and live more fulfilling lives. It's all about starting small, staying consistent, and believing in the process. Thanks for joining me.